how to generate content on BlueGPT. So this actually varies depending on the content that you want. So for starters, we have in here our model. As of right now, I'm using GPT 4o mini, but you can also use GPT 4o, DALL-E, also some Anthropic like Claude 3, as well as Google, Meta, and a lot more chats right here. So they also have some text, image, and visions option. So for example, for this one, let's head over and use in here some OpenAI model. For this one, let's head over and then generate a YouTube content or a blog content. Generate an SEO blog content about juices with protein. So for example, you have a healthy blog website, you can head over and then use the thing that they generate for this one in order to use this for your website. As you can see, they will provide you with a title, an introduction, and also a catchy phrase, and also the nutritional values and benefits of using these cases right here. You can head over and then just copy this. As you can see, they also give you some keywords that you can use for your case. So they also have a very cute and kind of corny ending phrase like happy juicing. So you can head over and copy all of these things right here and then post it to your blog. So that's how you generate content on BlueGPT. Hope we helped.